midweek on board ene ebema a 3 directs. Today the midweek on board should give us a 3 directs. I'm going to give you events from the year 2017 midweek on board. Midweek on board. Okay, the year 2017 3 directs assets were hanum. There is a 3 direct here. Let me show you a 3 direct that is going to play today from the year 2017. When you check the year 2017 midweek on board, okay, the year 2017, when it comes to event 7, let me show you the 3 direct first. These are the 3 numbers. These 3 numbers are going to play today, but it is not 16, 88, 21. This is not the numbers, but these are the 3 numbers that are going to give us the 3 direct. These 3 numbers here will give us 3 direct today. These 3 numbers will give us 3 direct today. And so I'm going to show you 3 direct in this particular video. Let's quickly get into it. 16, 88, 21, 3 direct. It will give us 3 direct today. So let's come quickly. This is the current of the midweek. This is the current midweek paper. And so let me bring it closer to the 2017. This is the 2017 plan. And so let's go to event. Let me zoom it so that you see it clearly. Let's come to event 721. Event 721. Okay, event 721. That is where we are going to start the plan from. But I didn't write the machine numbers of that place. And so let's come to event 722. Event 722. Event 722. Okay, and so at this particular event 722, you meet what? 78 center box position. 78 center box position. 78 to play at center box position. And so when you come here also, you meet 78 center box position. 78 center box position. Then the following week 79 lapping center box position. The following week 79 lapping center box position. Center box position. Okay, all right. So 78, 79. When you come here also from the 78 center box position. Center box position 79. 79. And so last week the chart was on this particular event. The chart was here and it played what? Single 4 second box position. Single 4 second box position. And so from the 79, Lotto decided to play the single 4 at machine, fourth box position. Fourth box position. But you know what? This plan is intact. This plan is intact because today, this is the next event. I'm coming to use it to show you something. I'll show you something on this particular event. Those of you who remember last week, okay, let me write the event these numbers. Let me write it clearly here so that those of you may not see it well. 12, 77, 88, 61, and 80. So these are the numbers on the event. Okay, these are the 5 numbers on the event. And these are the 5 numbers we are taking for today. And out of these 5 numbers, I said I'm coming to show you 3 direct on this event. 3 direct. But first of all, you see that last week, the plan that I showed you, last week I showed you this chart. I showed you this particular chart. It confirms what? 77 as a banker. Last week we were expecting 77 banker. We were expecting the 77 to play. And we were expecting it to play with what? 12. 77, 12. Last week we were expecting it. It didn't play. And today I've come to identify another plan that is saying what? 77, 12 should still play. So we were expecting it last week. It didn't happen. But this week, another plan is confirming it. I have not continued this plan. I'm just showing you this one, which is confirming the 1277 for us. 1277. And so you can give it a try, low key. You can try 1277 as a too sure. Because last week it was supposed to have dropped and it didn't come. And so this week it should happen. Too sure. Okay, you can give it a try. Too sure. Alright. And so, first of all, that is the first thing I want to show you. Now, those of you who have your papers, when you check, you see that at event 721. Yes. So at event 721, you see that 76 played at machine. 76 played at machine. I want to use it to show you something. Those of you who have this chart, you see that 76 played at machine. position before it came to play the 78, 79 single 4. And so today, this 76 over here, we're expecting this 76 over here to go what? Plus 1 to give us 77. We're expecting this 76 to go plus 1 to give us what? 77. I've told you that last week we were expecting 77 to drop. And this week too, this plan is confirming that this 76 over here should come and play as what? 77. Or better still, this 78 that played at center box position should go what? Minus 1. This 78 should go what? Minus 1 to give us what? 77. Also, when you check, you see that these two numbers are lapping. These two numbers lapping. And so last week, single 4 played. And so today, the next lapping number should what? 77. So that two numbers lapping. Do you get it? And so 77 is very, very powerful. And that is why I'm saying that if you want a too sure, you can try 1277 as a too sure. As a too sure for today. 1277. Last week, we were expecting 1277 to play. 1277. This week, another 1277. And the plan is not just saying 1277 should play. But when you check, these two numbers lapping. These two lapping. You get it? So 77 is lapping. Then again, look at the 12. For the 12, we are expecting this 79 that has played. And the following week, single 4 played. And so today, 12 should play. And so 12 is a banker on this slanting plan. 79 has played, single 4 has played. And so today 12 should go. And so when you check the slanting, then these two numbers, 1277, too sure. They should play live. Too sure. They should play live. All right. Now let me show you. Let me go further on the plan. Then again, we are expecting this 79 that played at center box position. This 79 that has played at center box position. We are expecting that one to also go what? Plus 1 to give us what? Addition 80. To give us addition 80. The 79 should go plus 1 as 80. As 80. Okay. Now let me show you. This is the first plan I showed you. The first plan I've shown you. I showed you a plan that we had single 8. Okay, single 8. But on this event, it is turning out to be what? 80. And so we are expecting single 8 or 80 to drop today. But this event has only 5 numbers: 12, 77, 88, 61, 80. Okay, and we are expecting the 1277 to go as a too sure. And with the 80, we are saying that it is also a powerful number because this 79 will go plus 1 as 80. Do you get it? Then the first video I showed you, I've showed you a first video already. I've showed you a first video, and that video contains what? The number 61. This number 61, and so this is a confirmation of the 61. The first video numbers, those of you have not checked out on the first video, you see that 61 played at what? 4th box position. We are expecting 61 to play at 4th box position. Then it will play with what? 70. So 61, 70. Or Lotto is saying that if it doesn't play this 61, 70, then it should come and play what? 61, 80. So look at it. I'm just trying to squeeze it for you. 61, 70 or 61, 80. One to drop. 61, 70 or 61, 80 to drop. Do you get it? All right. Now, these two numbers I've given you, the 1277. The 1277 is what? Addition what? 89. Addition 89. So either these two show will play today. Either Lotto will play 1277 as a two show. These two show. Lotto will play this one. 1277 as a two show. Or when you check the first video, the 89. Addition 89 to play. So either 89 will drop or these two show will drop. Either this or the two show should drop. Do you get it? Then we are having how do you call it? So this is the two show 1279, or better, I mean 1277 addition 89 to drop today, or the 61s 80 should also play. Now let me quickly show you the 3 directs I told you about at the beginning of the video. Okay, these are two show, the 3 directs. Now today we are expecting this 12, the 12 over here. If it plays today, this 12 should play today. The following week it should turn to what? 21. This 12 should play and turn to 21, and 10 to 21. Then the 88, this 88 should also drop here. The 88 should repeat. The 88 should repeat. So 12 will 10 to 21. The 88 should 10 to 88 now, or should repeat. The 88 should also 10. Then this 61 should also 10 to 16. And so three numbers that are over here will 10 next week. And so today, our three directs that I want to show you are this set of numbers. We are expecting 12 to play, we are expecting 88 to play, and we are expecting 61. Three directs. Ladies and gentlemen, these are three directs for today, or my best three for today. Our best three, or better still, three directs. So these are best three numbers, or our best three directs, or three directs. Okay, and these are too short for today. And with the too short, now if someone wants to combine the first video and the second video, just import the 89. Just import the 89. It's on the first video, 89. So either these two short will play, or the 89 should play. Either these two short will play, or the 89. But you know, I told you in the first video that last 2 weeks we got 79. We got the 79, 24, and 55. 55 went to machine. Difference 55, and the 55 itself came. And so today too, addition 89 and the 89 itself. And so all these three numbers can drop. And so you can add this 89 to this particular event. You can add the 89 to this event to make it 6 numbers and try your luck with them. If not, these are the set of numbers we are all going to play for today. These are the set of numbers we are good to play for today. Addition 89, or these three numbers, 12, 88, 61 should 10. This 12 should 10 to 21. This 88 should 10 to 88. This 61 should also 10. Then again, you see this 80. The 80 should also what? 10 to single 8. The 80 should also 10 to what? Single 8. This 80 over here should 10 to single 8. And so when you check, apart from the fact that this is going to be our best three, if you want our best four, you are going to get the single, 12, 88, 61, and 80. This best four numbers for today. Best four numbers. These four numbers, all of them will 10 next week. Hey, right there. All these four numbers are 10 next week. All these four numbers, 12, 88, 61, 80. All these four numbers will 10. All these four numbers. You know, the 77 cannot 10. The 77 cannot 10. And so we are expecting all these numbers, including the 77, which is part of the two show, to drop today. And so, ladies and gentlemen, why not try all these 5 numbers and add only the 89 to 8 to make it 6 numbers and try your luck with them today. And let's see how it will go for today. Let's see how it will go for today. Try the numbers. The numbers are 12, 88, 61, 80, 77, and add the 89. It's in the first video, 6 numbers, and try your luck with them. And let's see what grace or fate has for us. I'll see you, God willing, tomorrow for Fortune Thursday.